ye ko join the Ghana AIDS Commission. Say ye say yem boa mo yen fa ye hu enchre. Because people think say at that time no, they were even asking me say between me and my late wife no, when they di yare any man yonko. Say me na me di man
so no na
di man. It is not necessary. It is not what necessary.
It is not necessary.
Because who fi mu akohunu ken either say me na me di man ana no di ba me ntokwa na ebeba ene dia wareja ebeba enti jai no ho na koji edu na no na ho nto mama mi bisa o say mosquito cow na yesi wanya malaria. Do you go around looking for that mosquito?
No.
You don't look for it. Oh, fine. But me sure say.
But young mosquito.
Some mosquito. No. You better say either say ubeye mosquito net. I will get ano. And ube spray them. Thank you. See na be full through enye den emba. So that is it. So me gusuka say our reform yenu bitifie na omanya HIV. They are fighting each other. Say, who now di buy? Stop ntokwano. Na munko ji edro na munu. Entinu we na me kra. And the way people are dying, and the way the false information has spread all over. Hona edi ko join the Ghana AIDS Commissioner. Yedi about TV so, yedi about radio so, yedi about all the community. Say bebo de uronu. Ama obi anyanti asiye. Say yare no the way I would dream say tinu. Enye sa net here. Na obi a uncle school on worry on uber
on living a normal life.
Live his normal life. Minya HIV 25 years obi anya cancer wewu obi anya diabetes wewu obi anya stroke wewu but HIV ni eguso ti ase
obi nya bi wewu survive.
So why are you pointing only your hand at HIV? Na udi yare bebre kra sign wa ha na o si mi fa ba ko a I'll take HIV.
Yes, saya dear.
Odi boyare bo mudi mami. Mention.
Say be hepatitis. Now say any HIV.
I'll take HIV. Here I am. Usi yentu mrika. Sisi anko domi market. Ebi o gentlemen e wakakura mepa bebre hu. All your gentlemen here no. Ebe mepa bebre hu. Ebe medru ho ansa na omadru ho. Physically, psychologically, I am very sound. I can do everything. That is why yesterday me kan juma asem. So obi HIV na oba wo institution so pe juma emfa in the name of medical test. Na mako hu so HIV na wa pam no. No. It's not fair. It's not good. Then who betumi aya me ntumi nye.
Bibi any wa metimi aya kasa obeya wonye. Obeya manabro so.
So therefore I'm a complete human being. Why would you say I'm HIV? Now HIV enye it's not a coronavirus. A best sign by me saliva and no, it doesn't happen like that.
SOMPA FM.
So it is important. So this is the reason why we came on to join the Ghana AIDS Commission to propagate the gospel of HIV to the community.
Mo say modwumade amudie na eso aba anasa mojigu.
Hey, eso aba nkasa.
Because the enti amebisa na say ebre ko animu ni nyina no. Yade no so ko nanim.
Yes, because yare ni there because yesterday me can say 80% is from sex. So and we share economy na ye woman youth ni pesca.
Sure.
It's a fact. Or property intentem entinu adwuma so ya before obenya obedru bebia eye kese mu no abotre ebi o betumi take 10 years 15 years but obi dey open 2 years entinu ofakwan boni so entinu okoye ahyawo sinebe obenya scantem enti ahyawo so ya uni bema bebre na be hia enti one of them positive or the bema now or the man now so there come another client so there another client na kwa na echo. So it's number one reason. And people are not ready to go by the preventive measures. One of the preventive measures in say unu obi koda bo hu ban use condom.
Unu obi koda.
Yes. Unim ni panu. If you con unim no krapwa, do you know his status? No. So therefore protect and kayen ye be can say as a pastor we have ABC approach. A stand for abstinence. We have been preaching abstinence. The question is, are the youth listening? No.
I know this time a woman there.
Thank you. So if you cannot listen, that's the abstinence. You cannot. There will be or be faithful to your sexual partner.
And also so are they all done also so
are they faithful? No. Or who baku or domi I any fair. Or beko taifan wasahu another one or see any fair. So he's not faithful. Obedu kwabenya wasanya baku.
Reverend.
Yes.
I said there will see ken. Omo pe omo huntem.
Yes.
Opadi efe. Meka said there be akoso enhira wadi radio mo 25 years. Ya wo preko na. Oheneyere menya ni be 15 years kurampo wo mu. Eno ntine ba bi a waduro no se me pesa me koduru ho akwanbone so e na mefa.
Yes.
Na sa akwanbone se na me young me gentleman yo mo idea omo de de omo wo adwuma omo awale omo ye okay but obi wo ho a ono oba ate sika ni ho ba oba ne so odo no.
Yes.
Na oba na esa pesikenti no so bibi kakra ho wo 55 enti afa no ono so de ne ho abebataw enti wo twe kakra wo ho na wo twe kakra nso wo ne boyfriend ho se ano na ya na de we se ne nyina nso ba do.
Yes, eka ho so near woman is a count and you were can abstinence prevention. Your last C, the C is that if you cannot abstain, you cannot be faithful. Now, yeah, now per se we are use condom. C is the condom. And condom no sununa and then you finish identina medi toffee with a rubber. You see, ya can't assembling in our chill. Obi ne tunyu ya kan awias chirewu.
Makania ya chirewu.
Thank you. Nipa.
Makania ya chirewu. Nipa. Pasem no nanti na ya kron na ya kron. Makania ya chirewu. Nipa.
Ya kan chirewu. Abstain. Usi mi abstaining. Be faithful. Usi mi nya faithful. After the use condom. Usi anena me use totofia rubber won
ana akwadu na me hwa ne ho mesi me gini sa e wasa honam ka
so
honam
you are na wodi wo hu echo danger mu one na wodi wo hu echo danger mu nti sanka youth ni betie a aka be bua wo mu youth ni betie because baby ya do with HIV no sure let's say over Ghana no do you know the total number now over 350,000 Ghanaians are living with HIV. We mu your mu a hospital.
Ama
yahu. Ni one hospital or prayer camp or herbalist be ho yehu ye. And so if these people na jatum anu medronu ema virus na ba forma they cannot infect anybody. It means the new generation be to menya HIV.
Omo mwanya ASEM no so nka ho HIV ne
HIV
350,000.
Entinu ye yi ani se ya wo awanya no gitum na no medro no ne o nya ye no ye mpese o abedwan ne because ye dosu kra dodo emre bi o wa edro no kra ensu ye utati se edro ni bi kra be lucky or port ya kan ansana government and release edro na ma ye enti edro no pu ensu ye enti ye mpese wo kra wa be kan ye ho enti ni protect yourself sina be won nye bi embe kan ye ho
empempi na no rev obi wo ho a mete ho
yes
me chinchini bi a me ne be ma ba connectie obe ho an se meko hospital yes menya HIV enti na me so me dey spread sa dey a be ma me ye faithful de man no se ono kran so onye faithful ene me so me dey kwa akose wo ne obi omo manya HIV ni bi ni titiru maburu ni bi e de ahia ma wa campaign a kire wo se ne adwenbone aba metirim
bebre
enti me so me the best spread
bebre you see in your question you know who can say my faithful and there's a bema meninity on your faithful and there e bia na anya sa bema no enye saa be man na edi ma o enye onu kra hwe look at your back when you were 10 15 20 25 be man say na woni ni omo die ibia ye kan we can count like 20 like 10 and out of that 10 omo bi baako and edi ma enti enye be man na oni ni ti sesia wona wonyae
ba obi wo nso so a onfa mema dodo sa ebi abaako mienu pe na onim se me first relationship am ko mo no kura no ebi ana be ma no okọ medical check up ana se okoye test me ehun se oni bi but ebi ade ode ne hokobo na one ne tena na safa ne se ode mema mienu pe na o sa na me si su nyina no me konfinhye aduanan na se ebi a be ma mienu pe na me no mata na menya HIV dia na chese e wasa me susume de e dobro ma for na ode se
sa dream boni ni de be kun ntem because you were HIV type 1 and type 2.
Okay.
And you know, me manya type 1. And I mommy type 1 edro. And I me who ye di. Na me see adwin boni ntinu girls be more ha me pese me ni omu da na me fama omu no. Na omu so e bia na omu bi omu a type 2.
Okay.
Nti me ni ko da na osandi type 2 aye den. Abeka me
type 1 and type 2 no.
Yes.
Type 1 no ye de wo de ano nye den sa.
No, type 1 no mostly in Africa.
Oh, okay.
Type 2 is also mostly in Europe.
But the Siano
Baku ye juma senyama Baku senyama tentem.
Type 2 no.
Type 1 no.
Type 1 it's senyama tentem.
In Africa.
Okay.
Type 2 no. Ebe saying but ebe no slow. Mana essay no. Enti ni bia na lady a mini no san ko dan bi no. Or type 2. No sandi ni type 2 no. Abeka me type 1 ho. Enti edru na minum no enye juma. Edu no nye juma. Enti minum edu no but unse obi wo num edru no but ane ho enye di. Ohwehwe mu no doctor so hu ntem se ebi wasan ko fa type 2 abeka ho. Enti no se me si me kodi obi abro no na masan ko fa bebre abeka me dem. Enti no sa adwin boni ni de do not do it. Enye papa.
Otu adu boni e bi kan wa no.
Thank you.
O kwa akwese obi.
Yes.
Ba se na onsusu wa na.
And you do not even with him say manya HIV enti say obi su nye bi. No. It is wrong. And you see, you were mrasu wo ho. Mrasu betimi achiw.
Okay.
Say if se minim pa say e wu na wodi mamia, I can take you to court. And it is wrong say who HIV now I share that say person me farmer obi emran so mu a 5 years imprisonment
bako akotwenem.
Yes, 5 years imprisonment
na owo bi for no so say ya de ne kwa no ye be isolate na ya wo die bi de ma wo mo separate na
prison no say enye yare a ebe sign and you know we can't give you an isolation place enye yare a woni ni party dem mu a omo benya. So you can live normal with any other person, but we'll make sure say a drone you be ko gia dia bro. Ebi mo ko mo ba hospital no o she ni prison tade. Na abeji na drone na wasanko. Yeah, because if ya all kon owo bia ansa na okọ ye mani nko wu ho e say on time no so a on beji a drone na on fanko no nko no.
I was here Reverend John Azuma ena yene no etwetwe enkomo no oye sofopanyin ya otua eye Hope International Ministries ano e was Spenters na oni HIV emwa natna for 25 years. Owu mienu ena ohun se oni na iri nyina eye positive. Na no achi no o makwa ayarsabia wo hwe de ade omu fa mu dia enura da woti ni nyina Doctor for mo say unkofo munya bie nyina o mawu nti wo ajapade bia koton abemu bonsem ba ko ye ya wo mu famu ye yi won ba ko hye wonsa ankonam adan ya menya yade HIV nti enra ode ni nyina aboye na ye pese obehye ye nkura nti ene ya sama na bi sa ne sa denti na o smile too much obi anka ebeka say yade HIV ayo de obehu na o hyemantuo mu no ode ne nsa ahye ne dem rifo no akokọ ne ho ne ade but wasi abonten e hye afoforo nkra man kyerɛkyerɛ e de afa ho na Reverend mami misa we say only a wife a bread bang and a balm wadro and I said what I bang and a attention to be a HIV positive more come ya dear mama wo e dear na e pusu mu a mo say motherly love orphanage home mo sa akwa bi orphanage home dia ka na mo nwene mo ho na onwene no ma ho na sa akwa bi orphanage home
in fact na yendwin ho say e be orphanage home
okay
Ghana AIDS Commission ayako join campaign e wo TV so radio so no and I call give birth to the orphanage.
Oh
yes, it wasn't our intention, we didn't plan it, we didn't dream it. A campaign no campaign no na ako you can say what ako
and to abona mo body ayen church dey afa HIV ho no and na your friend is saying motherly love of an home appear free
mo na den appear
how
to say maba TV so yi ma ya kan asem no na ye di mi number to dwa ye pon na me do fie pe reverend oh ma timu ka wa SOMPA FM na akola bi ni ma mi ewu ni papa ewu wanya HIV waja no ye area no obia anya ready say obebe akola no oh reverend why nyame ni pa di akola we ye di brew na akola ba akwa ba reverend ye di brew na mienu aba ebi okomu di beja no mi dog gate akola ni bi ho kura na we don't have a or akola anybody we don't have a trace say why na di akola we ba kwa ye ni obi mo okomu frɛ me say akola reverend me omu ye dia my grandchildren na I am dying enti bi dia akola no chew can you imagine
o dia akola no chew
o dia akola no che mi
na we nka obi we say we dia wani so a ka de be ba be che mi
good enti no sa ba ku mienu say 61
children
36 girls 25 boys
eti ma me misao brebe na mo sha ase sa bre no eno ama eti ase se mutu kwotena atema no mo sa ba back to baby a
ye wo
na mo wo no na mo wo hefa
Klagon Lashibi
Klagon
yes
mo sa ba ho no mo betena mpotem ho na mo tena na se we de mo movie ko baby kakra mo te mo ho kakra okay
yes ye movie kakra
e ho fo no so na we dey aware say we no wife HIV no mo ye positive
oh they are very aware you see anu oma be hu mi wo TV so na anajo minda anajo Nicodemus Silinu nipa mu sram anajo before adi be chi no na they about 18 20 25
omo a na
ewo bronu ho no mu no not in HIV no achi bibri wo ho amu hu bebi omu di be fa ento omu be hu mi wo TV so no se mi ka edro bi hu asem no omu fi se edro no mi ana mi ye edro no wo
to mo ba be ji
mi o ba be ji edro no bi ento they don't come during day
at night Nicodemus Lee and you know our house has turned to like a consulting house and najubia boom kokoko oma ya say a bell no and my bell na free ho nti uti ho boom it tell about 8 pe na my bet na compound no obi ya no wa bi
se be ya miti boom pe na me see yes bra na nipa na di ntoma akata ne ho see na wa ba papa osofo efo a unga saminyalo wo hu ti sen ma ba wo nchen mia onya ba na ma hu ne enti a oba na waka na asem so edru de I don't have a medicine. I'm not a practitioner but ochina me di ube ko hospital no but ya baby ami kire wo no mu pe ho because see osuro say okọ ho oba hu ni nua bi wo ho enti they say me so mi fa no ko adan na mi fa no ko far away wager ana mi fa no ko far away adenta se ne be ya oba free Lashibi area ho no
baby ankofo nim no
very good na akọje edro no ho ebi ko mi kra metumi ko gidi bre o mu enti nipa ya save you mo life no sister enya sam kitwa na asem mi kan osofofo so ka ho
asofo no mbi so
ka ho malamfo ka ho politicians ka ho doctors the doctors ebi what they don't want their fellow people to know so he will come and make akọji dro no ahia no car park bi e di amanu journalist for kan
enya me won mo ye adwuma airport nyina dodo na aka when I was at Kumasi one lady be by no young lady
yes
onim se wanya bi na o si so na oba o fe kura kuma mu ba kuma se na man yi be de no one ne yire te ho na ni nso ne yire na oba be fa akwada na one na wo akwada ne wo wie 2 years time afa de o hu se wote wa na o fon o yale enti e kire no hu se wo ye HIV positive enti okwa hospital mo ka kire no oni man ni din no we say man na yire kwaji aduro
hai
e wo ho na o se wo hu woman no akola hye na chi one day wonim na woman ne card every gu ye na say woman na kwaji aduro e ma oni ne kunu ni nyina e na ne card free to all farmer woman no e na ohun say man na one ne tie no ni din
e na wo so
etu oba ya ansa na obebisa ne say okọ hospital no yes wo HIV man no so atiem wa shada atiem massive say wonim hwe fa oya adwuma wa airport
good
ansa na ekire ge ne beka se me hu wife we no wife nyina na kwaji aduro ne na say ni sansa na man ne ye man ne hwe na so hwe ni nto mo de buy a radio station
okay
then your friend no ansa na we take responsibility say baby akwada ne be da na didiem because onya aduro no onya aduane ni ntino for one wo phone
yes and the nipa bebre share port no mu me see omo share port no hu omo a ebe shock you entina entry mu san wo bi so because ebi wo fie o sister will be but one can chire o brother will be even awari for mienu ba bebe ma no pese oba ne be hu enti be ma ne gi dro na o de atu ni car boot mu enti onu me dro no pepepe but Nigeria nim say or HIV
that's all chire kwa
ebi su wo ho a the two of them are all positive obi am pese ni nyonku be hu
oba mama na ko check omukunu boot
no that is the truth that is the truth and then me can say don't point your finger because at any ben but you never knew now who point your finger no the day obe hu say oh na me so na ka bi o me fie no will you go and apologize?
No,
you cannot apologize. That's why you do not need to judge. Bible can thou shall not judge. But a year Ghana for there, ye pe kasa ye pe judgment. But a dear would judge you obinu, why ye be tra obi ankan would ye. But obi dear babontin, see how you are judging the person. See how you are judging the person. As if say, who ye konkron was our area no. Obi anya konkron.
No one is perfect.
Me ubi sami say, how did I get it? I don't know. Me jire na di mami me na me di mami yire. I don't know. Ni enim say me yire yari ye ko hospital and no ma courtesy say the two of us are HIV positive. I cannot divorce my wife. I love my wife. I have been with her. I support her. Obenya hodi wasan wo ba mienu kra ma me biom. Before nyami efre no.
Mami misa we reverend wo boss say bia be ma bi wo ho a wanya bi on bese na yire bi ho. Ememe dodo na no etisa te se de wo ka no. Afei ya na wo suro se wona na yire ne kra bedi agoro wo mpem. Enti no oba na start complaining na me kunu de me ho ka me kunu de ne ho ka me ekwan be nso na se ya frani say oba na okunu ana se okunu no yire te ho emu ba ko anya bia kwan be nso na onfa
yeah, it is based on trust. Say be ma no trust ni yire no ni ni kasa ni kasa me ka kire o se si ya se mi obi a before enumre bedru no na wo ma mi ati party unya no mati enti no then me ferry e be chimi enti minim se na me yire tinti no me nka nkire no. That is the issue. Minim se na me kunu tinti no me nka nkire no, and it is wrong.
Now one can't any ya woni ni shiemu and
that is where it is wrong because ebia unda drop onsu enti no ni oba no da no na usan di ma oba no so enti it is wrong but then it is a problem ni buy a trust enti no ye nyina ye ntina na ye build a good relationship say na be ya I can trust you, you can also trust me. Say me kokrum na asem we ko to me na me ba my wife should be the first person I should call say hey dear shine me call hospital no asem we don't catch them. Then my wife should comfort me. You see, when my late wife was sick, I'm not yet cancer way. And ka obia my dream be able say and the Lydia na di because Lydia was sick. No yari. But That is where I love her more. That me see. I'm sorry she's not alive to testify. Miana Mejuarino. Mikotobo. I said it yesterday. Yeah. I bought for her
because the embassy money other tenants in the Mejuarino. Some of the best sign.
Almost the best sign. Yes.
Ujare what they Ujare what they ma no abeshen so.
The day she told me she want to eat wache, that was my happiest day on earth.
Now quiet so wache sell and say oh vela for sika kona HIV.
That onto. So you see, so let's build a relationship of trust. Senebeya bemanu wobia obeka kire obanu obanu wobia obeka kire bemanu senebeya onu kwa na obe support ukunu say onu medro nu. My new wife now Ruby I said don't or the tata mi dodo before her please have you take your medicine me say set time soon here makachi was say drone and you say sorry keke na ya time or the drone ha mi dodo
Auntie Ruby mpacho ya tobo
enti no time ebi o me my bre mother no benya nim want to take your medicine and me say okay go and bring it I don't know ni nsem na ewo so go and bring me the medicine then
or
the nsu aka ho abre me so you see so aka me dinabro na man kan kire na ene support na me nya free nchen wo hoyi aka me nya so build a relationship of trust say be as assembly to her assembly to me wo krum say here me do fear she is the first person I will talk to before even any other person. And now she is in charge of the medicine for the children. Yes, Edru Edru Candy. Yeah, because Edru Nkolasure and
Candy.
See Edru. And I just say that the me yari. Why are you forcing me to take medicine? And it's true. Akwana ahune hu se on yari. So she's not obviously on fire one fire bebu. And you know he will tell you say me yari and so it is a candy a toffee. We dey be gina num keke bankwa ni bi ho omunyi enti omu yawe ya ka kire omu obi munyi enti no untimi nkan kire omu enti no thank God sisi anu Bibri 5 of them are university.
Wow.
Yes, from the home. Ya share omo akodu university.
Mo peke say nipa we say at what age?
Some 5 years, some 3 years, some 2 years.
And they are now in university.
This August, 2 are graduating.
Wow.
2 are graduating this very August. Omo the university course no every year.
So does that mean say enkwadanu so mo 61. Omo nyina HIV positive.
Yes, they are HIV positive.
To the omo what at bia no nko na mo gi omo.
Very good. So the home is based only on children who are living with HIV. Where your name some condition is peculiar. Obi a wo ma me ewu aja o. Papa ewu aja o. No mo sande japade HIV na aja. Just imagine nyama trauma u fe nkola no fem na busua so stigmatize you. Nkola ni bi wo ho a ebi oye wo brother ba. Now wo brother ni ho no se wo na se wo hwa akola no.
Sure.
Na wo di akola na kofie. Wo kun ni abrantie yi. Abrantie su unini wo akola mienu. Ofri juma ba ese wo di akola we aba no si ekua akola wo di aba de se oba ba infecti our children anti makola no nko wo su pese wo save wo marriage intinu because kunu di bufu e ba say let the child go. What can you do?
What mean?
Even though it's your hot senior brother's son or daughter, it say wo makola
be so kranka ya oba
oba no ba ukunu e ma pressure say akola no ha oba infect ye ma, but it is not true. It is not true. Today go and look at them, very energetic, very strong, very ambitious. They are very empowered. They are living their normal life.
Ebi na go on Facebook and YouTube.
Yes. Yeah, you need bebre. No, almost saying free so. yes omo ye kakra pe no ma ye free so baby me alone speaking no it can be on because of privacy intinu ye ni bebre na ye baby me nkwa me kasa no can very good so this one no
enti when I kasa wan ye fa no
ewo site baby ye wo kwa benya no omo a rented apartment
okay
intinu yakonya asasi ewo Shy Hills
okay
aye sit down kese pa e dani picture no kra betumi aba
na we say no ye is commission for na sponsor
no his commission is 99% away from this
so only a wife
any community and a sponsor a dine this is the final look of a dino
the mo say ya
yes no this how it will look like
wow
and you be to free kwabenya akọ Shy Hills and this enti ye hia moa cement, iron rod, sand, block, stone. Na yatumi awie edan mankola no. Because rent ayetua wo kwabenya anu odi. Rent na anu odi. So this is the building. Antino uhwe time me kasa no I'm doing appeal soliciting for cement. Obi a oti ani person bu ankola 10 bags of cement, iron rod, sand, block, stone. Now don't just give the money or the block. Come to Shy Hills and see it by yourself. Senyaye Kanu. So that is the building. You can see it there. Senyaye Kanu. Eye no kre ana.
Menim se antiako suya go aboaje. Yane nyanyame eboa na ukuada. Onu ubehia.
Good.
After that no menim se ye nyana ebebom na ya ba behwe na ya yakosra nkura no.
Yes.
Reverend, mami mi sa we say ansa na yakoye ni. Enkwada no a sese omusua oso ofa bi no 2 years, 3 years any ade. Omo candy na mo de ma wom na mami nka ne sa.
Yeah, candy.
Omo no mo a kosi se omo bewu. Omo no mo ama na kosi sen kodru bra bi abensa se virus no. Omo entimi and spreading kwechira na so ntimi fam obi ombetimi agyan for a period of time bia no for the rest of their lives.
Okay, so it's very simple. Ombenuma to the end of their life. Reverend Azuma subenuma to the end of my life. But senyamiye yadom na kioba na yajai. But as we speak now, there is no cure for HIV.
There is no cure for HIV for now.
Do not let anybody deceive you. No cure for HIV. Antiretroviral, a bread and one monasi. And the evidence say a bread one monasi no. Reverend Azuma you can see. Now, so therefore, you can see evidence of how they came and how they are looking now. Ebe shock you. They are looking very healthy and strong now than yesterday when they came. So ombenu medrona kosi timer cure beba. And to cure any by dear, we are still taking antiretroviral.
So for no be no be no. Oh, one do be about anymore. I was HIV positive.
Yes.
Na mini AC na nam na se betina mi mo.
Yes.
Ba nyamia boame.
Yes.
Me be so mo ha se no mo no. Me koye test no yes. ACB and me mojamu biem, HIV be and me mojamu biem. And I'll say there is no cure.
Yes, so you see, is any osofo nkwa herbally suka home. So I will speak in that angle.
Okay.
Now, me, I'm not here to condemn anybody's job. I'm here to talk about antiretroviral.
Okay.
Nia mehu ni hu adansie.
Ana udi.
Ena medi. Nia osofo nu kanu. Me osofo. We know what God can do when we pray for you. But enye yare bia na Nyankopon is expecting you say fabra menim from Bible.
Enye yade bia na Nyame expect say.
Yesterday I said it here. Osofo na kasa onye ne yire enya malaria or bompaye. No. Yesi mun koto low fat ana ba ku bi
ho. Yes. Low nut ne.
And me mufa no ko hospital. And osofo no anka say I'm keeping you here and pray for you. And one can say, me was awful, so my wife, my children do not go to hospital. Tinaha, I sorry be by now they don't take medicine, and then collateral journey is sorry. And they are taking medicine because there is power in a medicine. The money, God Himself give the wisdom. Say yen fanye dro I don't know how to put it in tree I say mundi na mo fa den
na haba ne nsa yade.
Thank you. So if osophobi see wasa obi HIV I'm not there. I didn't see the evidence saying he was HIV and then why negative. But me niya mehu ni ho dance na medi and I have a listen so no be break cry frame me aba motherly love. Sam said no and price omudi 2 omodro no so I will not endanger my life and the children.
Okay.
Say I will stop this and go there. No. This one is even free. Antiretroviral.
It's free.
It's free.
You don't pay for it.
You don't pay anything. But omodro you can't pay for it. You can't pay for it. But antiretroviral, me see, if you want to see the evidence of antiretroviral, any nipa watina konwa yimo oni wo ekasa. So omodro I cannot vex for it. No, I won't do that mistake. Because I have evidence, scientific evidence. I will antiretroviral humami.
It's more sure see no nkra na mo je wo mo rented place na na mo wo no.
Ewo Klagon baby yes call back no. Or na start orphanage.
What the nipa nkola se na mo de o mo start e na e ba sen da nkola mienu no say tu.
So na me ba Metro TV. Papeyi program.
Okay, no more your program be
yes, there's a popular program. M궈BORĥA SOMPA
yeah, na me intention. Okay. I me just some party.
Yes. So I came to that show on on Metro TV.
Okay.
So my number was put on air. And Papa bi Oluman bi. Ewa Nima. And on who program not picking me number.
Okay.
Or see offering enough na waba Accra for more than 40 years. And in the years one be who or the akola mienu aba baku so baku no no ko wari or wari Muslim ni bi wo honum na and omukonya HIV.
Okay.
But they give birth to these 2 children.
Okay. And
they also died. And Oluma osi manya diabetes makademu obusuani bie ni Accra and akola mienu so timi nche omanya HIV. Inti papa osofo misrew me bibia medu no enchana mewu me dia bofrai echew nimpo mintumi ento na mo embehwehwew enti no ofre obi efe no Vic se Vic adichi a fankolai afa ko che osofo mami osi ofimi yem na me di maw
fina koma mu nyina
wo papa dia asem na wo ken I don't know you osi me na me di maw mitifie na Vic ni frame from Nima mi china mi wo Klagon mi chire no kwan na oba no di akola kiti eno di bae penyin efe no Abdul eni Fati omo bae no omo isua na kitwa ni de yare nkwa ena yejiye ena mi so mi ko jan kwan mi jan kwan dru kwan ho mi ba na mi so mi refi mami na fa dro no omo dro no amami mi free line na you see the number you call does not exist.
What sanfa wo mama amra
she was the person who all were frame the same line sa ma saving number no abedru junction na makofa na befie
oh yesem no
entinu see the number
does not
exist until you see no nkola na koye Muslim kola awomaba osofo fie so minimi ye you say so if they are calling them Fati and Abdul no so bibi me say ana osofo manum na ye from within we are what will happen to minimi say no it's true let's change their name. Then my wife is an elderly woman.
Okay.
Then she called the small one Kafui. And
Fati.
Fati on offer no Kafui and on man bluff with Emanuela.
Okay.
So and to offer no Kafui Emanuela and all the meeting.
And so told Berman
Azuma. A car home. Then yeba Berman Abdul and also offer no Mauko. Meje nyami pe na me friend Mauko ayibe mu no Mauko Emmanuel. So the boy is Emmanuel, the girl is Emanuela and all the Azuma. But they never knew up to now. Like I'm sharing this. So they were the first people that the home started with. And today, when you see them, you'll be amazed. When you see them in the house, you'll be amazed. And they see me as their father. When in fact, it was a terrible news for them. They just say it wasn't an easy thing. I have to go and call some counselors to come
and counsel them.
Counsel all of them. Because it was a big blow. The hope of the children is omumami na omami na or die one sorry.
Enti bra mommy free mu no na enkwada no no mododo na 61 e bia
beka. No, now we are 48.
Enti 48 children.
Yes.
Na oni mommy na ehwe mu na mommy dane to ne benkum so sa no. Say na na brabo no we see a picture.
It really shake. It really shake because now mommy was everything for the children. Say me a bema. Me konye bia na me diaba. Obi su ti a story na e kana kuma or the bibi be chair. Na mommy aji ade ahwe afie na mommy abayesa. So it was a big blow. Your challenges are ye face you of fie ho kese pa aduane ti ye obi ti ani na is it duane all form of duane, rice, oil, tomatoes, fish, chicken, gari, maize, beans, anything na ye betumi anua. That is number 1. Number 2, educational support.
Because
they are all in school. All of them.
Okay.
And you know, so today imagine we call our 5 for university. The cost involved. Not 15 easy. Are in SHS. The cost involved.
Wow.
And then private school and your government school. Because why don't you take them to government school? Ye baby a tini baby a government school ni one distance ni 1 year. And I will cross it 2 major roads. So management see it as a danger
to avoid
problem. No. Let's look for a private school that is closer. And bus, they can only work. So educational support. The third support is medical support. Because immune system antiretroviral na free now. You have to take some multivitamins.
Okay. As supplements.
But no, you farm our hospital free. This is auto. And it will be mojadro, diwema, painkiller. Will be our support. Be about media bois. The fourth one is support for clothing.
And
yes, tadie. A man they use sanitary pad. A man does and then guess I'll be 12 years, 13 years. 13 years now I started deodorant, pep student, sure, panties, underwears. We welcome them.
Okay.
And then finally volunteers. If you want to volunteer in the house, our doors are open.
Okay.
For volunteerism. So these are the categories of supporter. Yeah, and at the last one, and the support towards our building
to be one, be blocks to
blocks,
and I say be
cement,
iron rods, plywood near the end, the potential near the end,
and orphanage kwana ye put up.
Okay.
We are also putting up a school for them.
Of course.
Because ye too they have to go to school. Say yenya school or say yenya small astrotef. Agro ewoso. Ninyina will be into the benefit of the children. Ya bomodia nya sasi 4 acres.
Masasene so say biri mani so kura.
Asasini 4 acres. 4 acres.
Ya de chamo anamu kotoy.
Ye toye. Through the help of the community.
Wow.
4 acres. That is 16 plots.
Yes. So 1 acre be 4 plots.
4 exactly. Ye toye.
Wow.
Ye toye. And it's taking. Anytime you can say, do not just donate. Your person will invite you to go and see the site for yourself. Yes, to see the site for yourself. And challenge Baku and how to take the medicine.
Adentia.
In school, not in the house. Because wako secondary school. You all know Ghana secondary school. Nipa hine wo a dime back mu. Omudoso. Until some day biana me no me drobia. Other children almost the smartphones at school. So they can quickly snap the photo of the conco. And no man who say, hey, and the AC drew and HIV drew na ufa. So obe no me drew na ese conco test. Kosie pa. And na who the two troubles muswa. Seniors can open it at any time. Imagine say biana o status ako PO school.
Yeah.
The stigma no be more. Thank you. So also a big challenge. Ghana Education Service share how best they can protect these vulnerable children.
So when they are going to school, when they medicals and some alcohol penny for any.
No. Ya bida and I scarlet.
It's a bed then Ghana Education Service said to me abua kwan ben so no mo fam
so they can there's a way they can. They should train some teachers.
Okay.
Who have knowledge on this. So there be a school be a go to this department. There's a trained teacher there. Asem di mi bano asem ko ka kire na. Metumi de dro no kra hye ni nsa. Be a me ban here drone wakoho akoji because more of our SHS students today no majority are HIV positive.
Now omode kwa we said do na am afon so be very curious say dey nkwa na wo this department a enkwara na say madam fo ne minim say me ne wo dom abribia wo kwa ho saa.
And so that's what the people will go through a training. You say some question ni beba.
But best still I me say best escalate and I say best spread it said there.
And so be hawa and the akola na kasa no and they say we empower no. Okay. Sine be ya obetumi are very strong. Say obe fire drone without even going there. Without his colleagues around knowing. Because move school but campus said that is challenging.
Yeah, I know. Very, very, very so challenging.
One thing I
change konku.
Thank you. One thing I developing is you be yi konku no. Na akoto multivitamin edrobi. Ayi.
Sana nkamebe.
Aguwe mu.
Sana nkamebe.
Enti uko snappy esihwe krapo a multivitamin. Akola bi ye bi. Ena obisa ni nuane se na wodi adrobe na de bia na o se papa na wato multivitamin me so we de mama bi ena mimi do no ntumi numbi ebe how HIV do no me di ma o se numa no ebe how ntumi nda because a virus be a new body mu HIV virus ni ho a do no be kwa fighting
until good bacteria say wo ni pedua no mo krampo no wa be sa ko fight
na it will fight even your organs. Me de be numa there is a virus obekwa fighting. Yes, so these are new strategies ya adopt ya man kola no ebi ho mami bi ko hu mi wo PTA and o kikem shouting say na school no agi mi manu aba school ha. Can you imagine? Can you imagine?
And some of them because they are HIV positive, yes. They shouldn't have access to education.
Na dwino no. Pasa mami ubehwehwe mu no. Se enye ni kunu a, ni nua bi, enye ni nua bi a, ni brother bi, HIV positive. Oni ni kure didi but onim. Ba won se woko hu obi die no, was start complaining, which is wrong.
Enche yebekwa homa no so enrada me say yesua niema bebre na mami Ruby ATN a
yes
me say o kan sem bi twa but mami for homa no ntu jansa na mimi sa obi aba na wale fofo no abeto orphanage mu na orphanage nso enye enkwada bi akeke enkwada o manya HIV odo pa o
ozi
me say mami Ruby odo pa
amen. Amen.
Radin Shanapa.
Yes, online.
Mosa line.
So no noti table no hu.
Omo beje omo candies.
Mo candy now. You see oba no the new style ba say obi ampe ni partner. Se ne be uba.
One ne beba.
Because kola no e bi we bad. Wo de do no man o ya na wa.
We yi ato atwini.
We yi ato atwini. Entini o partner be hwe say open your mouth. Open your mouth. Let me see whether you have swallowed it. make sure say what swallow. Now also my mission with you now what swallow, then you go. Then another batch come. And or marking me buy number, I'll take the register. I'm sure say why muna from candy no, then you come and meet me. Why did you not take it? No, honey, the menu that is the only time I beat you. Because so far we lost 2.
Oh.
We lost 1 when we were in Klagon. And we lost 1 when we came to Kwabenya. Oh. It is a result of Obi a one fire drone. What fire drone and Kwame ho, fire and one funny year. And you know the virus is fighting you. Uba AC ho, fire one fire. You will grow resistance. And the bedroom may be no fire drone crampoa. So we don't want to go to that stage. Now that stage is dangerous. So
fire drone. Now we jatum.
You will grow resistance. And resistance, you know, is difficult to solve. So we won't allow you to even get there. And to start here, starting now with you.
I will say 0260 196064 0260 196064 and now 0260 196065 0260 196065. Yen Papa Reverend John Azuma and yene no etwetwe nkomo no ye HIV positive for ne ade atena for 25 years na yire enso na ono so enya bia omumienu nyina tese na yire yare ye okọ hospital na kwada di se omumienu nyina akora nya HIV na wono makoa besi na ne ho oden wa na yire no enya HIV na kun no wono a na nyankopon to ne nsafre no odaye wan sore ni wono na efe pa wo bia yanso wo ni wono owu wasumdwem okra ne kunu no nso na reverend na say na adwuna maso yie ntia o start kra no na beesa bosome kola ne akire nso reverend aso anko ho yie na waware foforo one na wo 4 months akra ne ni HIV na wa meye hu HIV ene emu nchechire mu yie pente no yesu ade doc the mediane doc reverend
yes
mommy Ruby efro na se ofra wa oje no so se ma hu se oje madam first madam so shine ofra ne shine one our friend shine no
Ruby
na our friend shine no
yes
I didn't tell our friend shine
sana nyami ka kire me sana edin e ba mitim no ye se mi fa no shine
na se kire ne se o shrine and
shine yes she shines so I call her shine. Yes.
Otiode asem na obeka kire no.
Yes, Shine. I love you as usual and I'm grateful for you accepting my proposal. And she didn't make my proposal difficult too. And I don't know her too. And I never knew her. Me to quine Echo Germany. Me buy a pen and me baby was sorry. Catch me so per se wako sue juma. No per se on pony home. But or feel say on beye wo me fie wakache ni madam no say o say
opon ho fie
me pastor fie and Ruby ni kache say well if your pastor will agree say yenko ye woni fie fine because I never met Ruby ni before na me akwara fe no Jenny and Jenny said there let's go to our pastor so we can go and plan the program. So that was the first day I saw the Ruby. So she was the madam. She said,
"Madam to
me Bano." Yes. She's a fashion designer.
Okay.
So upon my dipa, and you know, me Bano kosuye juma oni. I was so too.
Okay.
And you know, and on mobile na we at a table we plan about how I ever the program no, and that was how I get to know the Ruby. And me propose as so too name no. She didn't make me talk too much.
Oh, you need to tell me.
She didn't make me talk too much. The only thing is how would the family, her family take it if they get to know that the husband is HIV. So I encourage her, say, you must be strong. Kind your own back, but once you love me, let the love cover in sembiara obi ebeka. And she agreed to it.
Okay. Ma yeah 0260 196064 0260 196064 0260 196065. Wo bibi a pese o ka kire reverend owo assembly a o de beta ne de no eto anase nkran hye sembi krampo no a ubetimi de aba 0260 196064 and 0260 196065. Reverend Mami Misa, we nyame nipa so ke nka hwere sem na ya na encourage you. What sorry ama o hwe nkura ne mu asopen. Ama ora apopen.
When we lost Ben in Klagon.
Okay. Kola na ofri mu no.
Lydia Emma Misunye. Lydia Esuya to extend say nobody can control her.
First wife.
Yes, D. She's called D.
Okay.
And Shine is called Ruby friend is Shine. Yeah.
Okay.
So all the way you could do I would do my cemetery no. Or you do what they Misunye. And the way the other children were also crying.
It makes you cry.
Omunyina ba cemetery no. All of them say they will go and Marco Jab Ben Quine. One far adaka no from Kolebu sa to Awudome. And ye drew one no emotions no ebe tom so it affect me. Yeah. And I also shed tears. Yes, because Ben was a lovely person. Then Jeffrey Ben, then Teresa also we lost Teresa. Or onukra or SHS2.
How?
Oh, SHS2. You see, that's why so we are parents now we buy a HIV no numero na. And more no kwa numero no. Teresa no we feel said that time no oh daddy my fire no. Oh daddy my fire, which is a lie. She was not taking the medicine. Oh ya be ni bag mo no. Oh my God.
And droning in
so don't take them say or catch us say I am taking a drone or follow it up and be when Shentina Ruby Shine by no or adoptee say
obi funny
partner and onubeji na ho obi akitani water to take it. Let me see until obeshama 1 minute binim obi o before obema a drone wa ha no nkola ni free na a drone mienu of form and the one a drone ni die no tough unhu nipa no. So you have to be very vigilant on them. Until when we lost Ben, Misunye. But now when I see them, I'm happy. They make me happy.
They make you happy.
They make me. MgsmåBORṟ, MgsmåBORṟ AMPE, MgsmåDidi, mi free Kromba. Daddy, you are welcome. Daddy, you are welcome. Daddy, you are welcome. Daddy, you are welcome. Me say, yeah.
I'm from school, so but good afternoon. Daddy, good afternoon. Daddy, good afternoon.
Everyone, I see. No, I'm be me son. Daddy, good afternoon. Now me see you, Martin. They make me rather now happy. They make me happy. Baby, I be kun to kwani say go and sleep, and they don't want to sleep. Omuni now. Sa.
I didn't see na mommy a fashion designer.
Yes.
And granny drew secondary school na. Omo adi omo ho nti no. Ante so mbe vacate abefie no. Omo nrofa no aye challenging. Adenti na omo wie JHS no a pushi mo no amfa nwura adesua like ensan jumanim.
Yeah, I think ni shine aba. That is part of our program. Say you should train some, but nkolanu most of them too are more interested in the school. So we don't want to be a blockade. Once you are interested in school and your results are good, we want to push you. Okay. But some are learning. Two na me can say almost jumano. They are into function. Because
all school we obenya juma crown so ASEM. So I was me a psyche one.
Yes.
Now what's your brabos because they are still young, more mature sir. Means I'm madam for school ntimi so me
school.
But obiane baby a free or omodom hu esua anase share sanu juma ni mo mommy wo we the minim say be easy crown na atimi
exactly. It's a very good plan and mommy to I can say some of them school no emboa.
Okay.
Ye mo mu kosua adwuma no.
Okay.
It will be more beneficial.
My phone number into jam said now okay 0246 653765.
Perfect.
0246 653765. 0246 653765. Obi person was sending mobile money de boa or the first way beba. It here also ASM
John Kwashi Azuma.
John Kwashi Azuma 0246 653765. Reverend ma yena wase na yemfa wonsi ase no mabusua ye de M궈BORහැ ASEM ne de no epem hase no na yada Reverend ase papa yese nenso wone yen ebeche na brabo mu ensem onfanso hewukuada maami akosua agwaboaja akosua nhira ogolo na nkasa dondon hima wone ni behia de atwato okra MĽBORහැ ASEM so na yede ni nyina akogo Reverend John Azuma Hope International Ministries Spenters yeda se